shredder here at Nickelodeon Universe. American Dream Ball. Coaster track. The green one is a different coaster that we went on in a separate video. Here we go. Whoa! Oh! Whoa! Oh, look at this. We're spinning so much. Whoa! It doesn't stop. Whoa! Spinning, it should stop any second now. That's a lot of spinning, not gonna lie, too much spinning if you ask me. But then again, I was lopsided, so the weight wasn't evenly distributed, which is what made it spin so